Hi Gauri. So I was trying to reproduce the issue that we just discussed, and I noticed one behavior when it is happening, basically, and it is not. It might not be related to the decimal points. So the steps you might have been trying is like opening any task from this list where we do not have any budget assigned, and then now I'm going to assign some hours, some budget to this task. Okay, so we have this full number here. Now this page I'm not going to refresh, and I'll be assigning this task to this person, Girish. Currently he has budget count 4 and total number of tasks 6. So if I assign this to Girish, the count is getting increased, but the budget is there's no updates in the budget. It will only come after refresh. So this might be the case that you are updating the budget hours here and without refreshing this task list, dragging this task into the employee. If that is the case, then I don't think it's an issue. But if you're still able to reproduce, then we should report it as an intermittent issue. Yeah, thank you.